virtual reality and artificial intelligence and all the different technology that's out there is having quite a profound effect on the speaking business in a number of ways. Number one is I see a lot of speakers involving different types of technology in their presentation. So I have one colleague, for example, who's a master guitar player, and he developed a system where he got on a stage and he would jam with a hologram of himself. And that was cool, right? It's cool technology. Other people use amazing technology. So that's one way it's changing, is people are bringing technology to the stage and putting on a much more technologically advanced show. And that can have good effects. It can have bad effects, because if the power goes out, you're doomed, right? If the projector doesn't work, you're doomed. The more technology involved in your presentation, the more things there are to break. It will happen. So that's one way it's changing the world. The other way it's changing the speaking world is people are able to set up virtual audiences for themselves to practice and to do all those things. But here's the thing. I don't believe the technology is ever going to get to the point where it's going to replace the speaker. And I really hope it doesn't. And this is one way I think that speakers are damaging themselves. I've seen this happen time and time again, where a speaker's entire presentation is based on the technology working. And I've seen this happen at exceptionally high levels in situations where the consequences of failure are high. And the technology didn't work, and the speaker is stuck, nowhere to go, and world-class embarrassment. And I can name some of them. And this is a problem for us as speakers, because what I believe is this: any technology that we use in our presentation should be there to enhance what we're doing, not to replace what we're doing. And I get a little bit in their face a little bit, and I do this with myself too. If I cannot be as valuable without the technology, then I shouldn't be using the technology. I need to be as functional without technology as I am with technology. And that is why one of the most advanced pieces of technology that I use is this. There. That's my advanced piece of technology. I call it my wireless, it's my wireless maxi pad. Okay. I have that, and the worst case scenario is that my pen runs out, and I always have another one. And I have used this on stages in front of thousands of people, and it works, because when I use technology, it just breaks. It just does, and it happens every time. So this is as technologically advanced as I get when I speak. But I see speakers out there using virtual reality, and they're using artificial intelligence, and they're using all these great things, and it's a great show, but you know, it's got to work.